properly use a universal overhead valve spring compressor. I'll show you what it looks like here. And this is a valve spring compressor. It uses to take off and put back on these valve springs. Using these two pieces here, these two black pieces here, and I'm gonna put them around the spring. Okay. And see, it's gonna grab on to this spring and then this lower one here. And these top ones are gonna push it down. So I just kind of want to get it positioned. You kind of gotta hold it in place while you're twisting it. So you gotta make sure that these are hooking on the springs down here, and this is pressing down on your little silver washer looking thing on the top. All right. So all you're gonna do is just keep turning. There's other ways you can get these off. I'll just use a deep socket and a hammer. But this is a very useful tool to use when you're putting the springs. We gotta compress the springs because you need them to put your little governor things back in. I don't think they're called governors, but they're little locking rings. You want to look at the top of these, you can see them. They look like C's. See them right here? Look at those. You gotta put those things back in. These lock the springs down on there. So, it's compressing. It gets a little hard. So, basically, we have to put these things in here. We're gonna put this fat side up. See, the fat side and there's the skinny side. I'm gonna put the fat side. What you gotta do is just gonna drop it in there like I just did. Real easy. And then drop the other side in there. To compress it a little more. And as you can see it pop, but it's still sturdy. So I'm gonna have to put the compressor back on there just to get that one back. But this is the basic concept. This is what happens when these parts they slide off the spring. So you gotta be on the lookout for that. Can be a little tricky, but alrighty. Finally got the seat now. And just loosen it up. And your springs on there. And that's how you use one of these overhead valve spring compressors. So I hope this helps someone out, because it would have really helped me out. Alright, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching. And remember, for y'all mobile mechanic needs, message us at Puro Mobile Mechanic Dallas.